Okay, let's see which one can go the fastest around the circuit. 2011 FJ Cruiser V6, Suzuki Jimny 2024 5-door GLX 1.5 liter, or the 2001 hilux KZTE. Yep, let's see. I've got this glass here. This road is a little bit rough, so we'll see which one spills the most water, or the least. So, yep. No seatbelts. Not today. Who's the fastest? Who's the most agile? Which one spills the most water? I'm in 4-wheel drive. You ready?
Right, I'll say go. The glass in a whoa.
Yep.
In a cup holder.
It is. I'm not touching it.
Ready, steady, go.
A little bit rough. Unfair advantage is this thing has 4-wheel drive, the KZT does not. It has diff lock, but yeah, this one also does not have a diff lock, but simulated. Right, turning radius. Woo! Shit. Of your diffs with rocks. Ground clearance on this is decent enough for this, but just be careful nonetheless. This thing is smooth. Woo! Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Where's the cup holder in this thing? Ooh. This thing has seen a little. Yeah, it's old. Okay. Right. Okay. Yes, I haven't driven this thing in ages. Turbo diesel, 3 liter.
Go!
Watch out, dog! Spinning. Whoa! Feels good. These have all-terrain tires on them, not like the Jimny doesn't have any. Take a beating, man. Oof. There we go. No four-wheel drive in this. Dashboard's a Christmas tree, but it goes. Yeah, the suspension in this is pretty hard. It feels amazingly stable. Judge by the amount of water I've lost. Don't get stuck here, buddy. Don't get stuck. Good grief, what a bouncy ride. Woo! Woo! Wow. Refold. Here's the limits. Okay. Let's see how much. We spilling this thing. This feels awkward because it's so low. I sit so low. Can I not sit like higher like this? It's a big freaking car. V6. Let's see how this does. Hey. Automatic, which I hate. I'm not a fan of your automatic, but it is what it is.
It's what it is.
It's not in four-wheel drive though.
Right?
It's
No,
not.
it doesn't have to be.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, this is fun. I think I know which one is gonna win. This is so much bigger than the Jimny. Holy shit. Gotta get used to this. Mind animal, get out of my way, dog! Oof. This suspension is amazing. Oh, yeah! Wow. Okay, I know what my next car is. Whew. Hot damn. Land Cruiser's gat. It's not even in four-wheel drive, but this thing has all-terrain tires on it, so that's a benefit. Pretty much the same as the Jimny,
Yeah.
although 10 seconds faster.
But it's a 4 liter.